Let's understand the CHR function better. This function returns a one-character string for a specified ASCII code. To see it in action, we'll give it a random number and store the character in the variable x. To actually see the output, we'll use a message box. Upon running the script, we see the letter E. That might not seem very useful at first glance, but this function proves vital for handling non-displayable characters. Consider this example, a random string message containing quotes, such as the word once got into a fight with letter. It ended in a draw. Running the script with this message gives an error due to the quotes. But with CHR, we can address this by concatenating the string segments using plus and CHR 34, which corresponds to the ASCII code for a quote. Running the script now, we see the message displayed correctly. Let's look at another example. What if we want a symbol that isn't available on the keyboard? CHR can help by using the ASCII value for that symbol. For the euro symbol, we'd use 128. Interestingly, CHR also works with altcodes. For instance, the altcode for the Bitcoin symbol is 8383, and using this with CHR correctly displays the symbol. The function also accommodates Unicode symbols, which use hexadecimal values. For instance, 263A is the hex value for a smiley face. To use that, we convert the hex value to decimal, which is 9786 in this case. One practical use of CHR is with the line feed character. Let's watch this already created script and its result. If we have a text extracted from a page where paragraphs are only separated by spaces, it doesn't look great. We could enhance readability by placing them on different lines. In Windows, pressing Enter is equivalent to a carriage return character combined with a line feed character. But for our needs, using the line feed is sufficient. So, by adding CHR 10 to our string, just like with the quotes earlier, we transform a clunky text into an attractive, well-spaced article. Thanks for tuning in.